Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the Dell Docking Station bundle. Let's walk through the features that make this Dell Docking Station an ideal choice for enhancing productivity. Complete Workstation Bundle. It includes the Dell Docking Station with a power supply, an HDMI cable, and even a cleaning cloth. With this all-in-one bundle, you'll have the essentials to create a professional workstation right out of the box. One device to connect them all. Link all of your peripherals, screens, and devices using only this Dell Docking Station. It works with laptops that support DisplayPort over USB-C or Thunderbolt 3. Enhanced connectivity. To help maximize productivity, this dock provides a wide range of connectivity options. It includes HDMI and mini-DisplayPort for video, along with 2 USB-C and 3 USB-C and 3 USB-A 3.0 ports, and an Ethernet port. HDMI and dual display support. You'll love the dual display support on this dock. With HDMI and DisplayPort connections, you can link up to 2 external monitors, allowing you to multitask efficiently. Keep multiple applications open, and boost your workflow. 130-watt power adapter. Powering multiple devices has never been easier with the 130-watt power adapter, which includes 90 of power delivery for your laptop. This feature not only keeps your laptop charged, but also powers connected devices. With its extensive connectivity, power delivery, and sleek design, this docking station is perfect for anyone looking to streamline their workspace. Check out the link in the description to learn more and get yours today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech reviews.